Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very easy and tasty Kuzhi Paniyaram recipe. Let us see the ingredients. Here we are having some idli batter, 2 finely chopped onions, some finely chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves, 4 finely chopped green chillies, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram dal, oil and salt for taste. First we need to tempering some ingredients, so that I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, once it's cracked well, we can add 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram dal. Fry it well until it will become golden brown. Now we can add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute well until the raw smell of onions went off. Now the raw smell went off. I am going to add 4 finely chopped green chillies, some finely chopped curry leaves, some finely chopped coriander leaves and salt for taste. Saute well. Here I am added the salt that only for the onions. Now it's ready. Switch off the stove. Here we are having idli batter. I am going to add some salt and add all the fried ingredients. Mix it thoroughly. If we need, we can add a little bit of water. But this is the right consistency to make a Kuzhi Paniyaram. First heat the Kuzhi Paniyaram pan and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we can start to add the batter. That's all. Set the flame in medium and close the lid. Let it be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Now one side cooked well, I am going to turn the paniyaram one by one. We got a very nice golden brown color. Now again close the lid and the other side also cook for 2 minutes. Now it's ready. Both the sides cooked very well. Now switch off the stove and take the paniyaram one by one. Now a tasty paniyaram is ready. We can serve this with onion chutney. This is the perfect combination for paniyaram. Let me taste it. Wow, it's very crispy outside and very soft inside. It's a very perfect recipe for breakfast and dinner. In my next video, I will show you how to make this onion chutney. It's really amazing taste. Do try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.